Hello everyone, and welcome to another Elevators Explored Plus video. We are still in IKEA, but this time we're at a marketplace elevator in the bottom floor of the building. We will be going up to the showroom level of the building and then back down. So let's wait. This is a dingy looking cab. Alright, let's go to 2. No emergency phone in here. So I don't know what this elevator could be. So if you could please tell me in the comments, this would be so much easier. So on the showroom floor. And we're gonna go back down to 1. And look at this dinginess, but you got Swedish decoration here. Talks about your rewards and everything else in between. All right, let's watch the doors open. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna watch the doors close. Let's see if it closes. And I'll be signing off. So please like and subscribe, and take care of yourselves and each other. Goodbye, everyone.